Hi everyone, my name's Juliet and today I'm going to show you how to use punch copy and punch paste in Audacity. If you haven't already downloaded the extra software you'll need for this, I've left the link down in the description. First up, let's make some fake background noise that we need to get rid of. There you go. Okay. Here's the part in the audio where I made that sound. First up, let's make some fake background noise that we need to get rid of. There you go. Now, in some cases you might be able to just delete it, but let's say you need to keep that exact space between sentences. What you need to do first is to find a clean piece of background noise or room tone. The best place to find that is where you did your keeping quiet either at the beginning or the end of your audio. You do that for noise reduction. I'm going to choose a much longer piece than the actual clip I need to replace, so that it's obvious what punch paste is doing, which is adjusting to the size of the space that you're replacing. Highlight the room tone, go into the effects menu and select punch copy paste. Copy safe prevents the audio you're copying from being overwritten, and copy replace doesn't. Return to the noisy part of your audio and highlight that section. Then go back into the effects menu and select punch paste. And as if by magic, the space is filled with regular room tone. Let's listen. First up, let's make some fake background noise that we need to get rid of. That's all there is to it. For more videos related to audiobook production, including Audacity, check out this playlist. I'll see you there. Thank you for watching.